If you've ever towed anything, you know that a hitch and a receiver is going to rattle. It's inevitable. But CURT has an easy solution with their anti-rattle hitch clamp. This simple product stops rattling at the source and prevents shank movement for a quieter ride to give you peace of mind while towing. It does this by basically securing the hitch connection for a tighter fit. It's compatible with hollow and solid 2-inch shanks. The anti-rattle hitch clamp is such an easy product to use, there's no true installation required here. When you're getting ready to use it, you don't need any special tools. All you have to do is put it over the shank and hitch receiver tube opening and tighten it down using the clamp lever to get the fitment or tightness you're looking for. One important thing to note here is that the anti-rattle clamp must be used in conjunction with a properly secured hitch pin, so just keep that in mind as you're using this product. The anti-rattle hitch clamp from CURT is backed with a limited lifetime warranty. If you would like to purchase this product or other CURT products, check out our dealer locator below to find someone in your area that can help you out. And if you have any questions or comments, we'd love to hear them. Thanks so much for joining us on this episode of In the Garage.